Namaste everyone, I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Imagine this, you've been waiting days for that new phone you ordered online. You finally get the out for delivery notification. Excited, right? But hours pass, and nothing shows up. Why? Because the delivery guy tried calling you, on your old number, and your precious package, sent back to the warehouse. All that excitement, ruined just because you forgot to update one small detail. Now, think about your website. If your contact email in cPanel is outdated, you could miss important alerts from your hosting provider, SSL expiry, renewal reminders, malware warnings, and just like that missed delivery, your website could go down or get compromised without you even knowing. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to update your contact info in cPanel. And if you want hosting that doesn't just host your website, but actually helps you manage, protect, and grow it, then switch to YouStable. Super simple, cPanel access, free SSL, fast servers, daily backups, and the best part, 24/7 expert support from real people, not bots. I trust YouStable with my own sites, and the experience has been smooth, reliable, and beginner-friendly. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Scroll down to the Preferences section and click Contact Information. Update your existing email address if you wish to update. Make sure it is correct. You can also add your secondary email address. These email addresses will be used to receive notifications and password reset confirmations. You can choose to be notified when you are approaching your disk quota, bandwidth usage limit, or SSL certificate expiry. You can also fill in your preferences about notification on auto SSL failures by checking or unchecking the option buttons. We recommend you retain the default setting. Now click the Save button. That's it. We have successfully updated the contact information in cPanel. Thank you for watching.